Looks like we're going on holiday! Yippee! Sit with Lucy. She'll look after you. No, puppy. You must buckle up. If you don't, you'll fall. Lucy, can you help him? Now we're safe and snug. Up and away we go. What's wrong, puppy? Tell him the safety rule, Lucy.
Window blinds need to be opened during takeoff and landing. Am I right, Mommy?
You are right, honey.
Somebody's got a rumbly tummy.
Don't worry. Everything you need is here. Am I right?
It's super yummy snack time.
If you need something, just ask.
What would you like to eat?
Puppy power. Yum yum, fill your tum. Oh no, what's up? Ah, puppy needs a pee-pee. Walk carefully. Don't run. You have to wait. Someone's in there. Look.
If there is a red line on the door, then it's occupied. Am I right?
Of course.
It's green. Now you can go. Everyone's relaxing now. Yikes! We're gonna enter a storm.
I'm scared. Don't be afraid, honey. It's just turbulence.
Stay calm. It'll be over soon. Yeah, a clear sky again. Kids, look! We're landing! Was it fun?
I won't be afraid of flying anymore. Thank you.
Flying buddies forever! Wow, super cool sports car, Leo. Did you win? Yeah, Leo's #1. Oh, looks like Lucy doesn't agree. Aw, that's cheating. Wow, Lucy's so pretty in pink. What do you think, Mom and Dad? I guess they love the color too. Leo, Lucy doesn't like black. What's your idea, Lucy? What are we gonna color? All done! Jump in, Leo! Ready! Pink versus black car challenge! Lucy's leading! But not for long! Uh-oh! Watch out, Lucy! Oh no! Black paint! Uh-oh! Lucy's angry now! Looks like it's payback time! Pink paint cloud attack! And the winner is…
You crossed the finish line together.
Yeah, you're both winners! Black and pink together! Yippee! Road trip! No, don't do that! Oh no! Super Cat's fallen!
No.
Look, he's hanging around.
Yeah.
Back we go. Reach high, Mom.
Yeah. Do not stick anything out of the car window.
Be good now, Leo. Oh, booming burp. Hey, Leo, don't litter. Yuck, so dirty.
Do not litter in the car.
Ah, garbage gremlins. What should you do, Leo? No! You're gonna cause an accident.
Why? Are you okay? Leo, you can't throw trash out of the window.
I'm sorry.
Leo, go and pick it up. Where does it go? That's right, the trash can. Oops, Leo needs the toilet. Ugh, quick, Dad, pull over.
I want to go to the toilet.
It's okay, Leo. Here's a potty.
Meow.
Go behind the bushes so no one sees.
Meow.
Where are you going? Ah, he's found a bush. Pongy poo. Don't be afraid. It's only a storm.
Don't worry, I'm the best driver in the world.
Whoa, a mud bath. Wish, wash, car wash. Yikes! What's happening?
The monster wants to eat us!
It's not a monster, it's a car wash. And it's fun.
Look, bubbly, bouncy soap suds. The rollers are rocking it. Wowee!
We arrived.
Let the fun begin.
Round and round, the wheels on the bus go the bus go? Shh, shh, shh. All through the town. Their daddies on the bus go.
I love you. I love you. I love you.
Their daddies on the bus go.
I love you.
All through the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the kitchen wall. Swoosh went the fan and made the spider fall. Up went the fan, no longer did it blow. So the itsy bitsy spider back up the wall did go. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the yellow pail. In came a mouse and licked her with his tail. Down fell the spider, the mouse ran out the door. Then the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the pail once more.
Looks like Leo's the bus driver today. Whoa! Fast cars!
This bus is too slow.
No, Leo. The bus driver's being safe. Don't press it, Leo. Ah! It's transformed into a demon. No! Red means stop. Leo, that's not safe. You're scaring people. Now you have to wait. What are you doing? You're not allowed on the sidewalk. Leo's a demon driver. Watch out! Stop the bus, Leo! You're dangerous! Oh no! Mom's boxes! Driving like this causes accidents.
Full speed ahead!
Leo, going fast isn't cool. No, girls, you don't want this bus. Yikes! Are you okay? Wow, good job, Dad. Oh no! You better start again. Stop right now! Ah! Hold tight, Leo! Try to stop it, Leo!
Oh no! We broke the side mirror!
Police officer, can you help? Leo, pull the bus over.
Stop the bus immediately!
Demon bus isn't listening. What's wrong? Uh-oh, bus can't see anything. It's out of control. Leo, quickly, get out. Oh no, it won't open. Go away, demon. We want Angel Bus back. Phew, police officers here. No more speedy races for you, Leo.
I'm sorry.
Obey traffic rules, and your car will obey you.
That's right. Yeah, Angel Bus is back. Well done, Leo. Safe drivers are the best. Yeah. Wow, Lucy and Leo are flying high. Go through them. Don't touch them. Lucy, do the challenges together. Watch out! You've got to dodge the rocks. There's so many. Look, a safety shield. Lucy's protected now. The rocks can't hurt her. Yikes! Leo, your airplane's broken. Quick, get the first aid kit. Yeah, you're safe. Careful, fly up and over the bricks. Oh, what's that? What does it do, Leo? Yuck, it drops poo bombs. Move, Lucy. Leo's dropping smelly poos. Bleh, stinky. Oh no, Lucy's trapped in a stink cloud. You're okay now. Open your eyes. Yikes, the airplane's out of control. No, the wings broke. Yeah, magic wings. They'll keep you safe. What's Leo seen? Wow, a golden airplane. Huh? What's up? Lucy beat you to it, Leo. Wow, Lucy, you've got the magic airplane. It does tricks and flies through anything. Aw, Leo, your airplane's cool too. Look, Leo, this'll make your airplane fast. You've got super speed now. Press the button. We have liftoff. Ah, are they storm clouds? Phew. Oh no, Leo's put Lucy in a spin. Watch out! Yikes, you've lost your power. Look for a shield. Help him, Lucy. No, quick, Lucy. Phew. Great flying, Lucy. What is it? Ah, a big block wall. What an awesome game!
Sorry. Let's play again.
Can I play too? Ready? Let's go! Yippee! Is that a magic treasure chest? Look, colored keyholes.
We need to get 4 keys.
Pick a magic door and go find the keys, kids.
Look, the keys are behind these doors.
Red for Lucy, blue for Molly, green for Leo, and yellow for Mike. Yikes! The monster has the key! Lucy, look at the sheet of music and copy the notes. They're lullaby notes that are sending the monster to sleep. Shh, Lucy, don't wake him. Careful, Molly. They look like biting fish. And they're protecting the key. Try using the net. Uh-oh. Oops, all tied up. Nearly there, Molly. Quick, let go. A fish has bitten onto it. Phew. Guess we need another plan. Aha! The magnet will pull out the metal key. Way to go, Molly! Wow, Leo, this looks like an easy challenge. Climb the blocks to get to the key. Red one next. Ah, the red blocks break. Don't go onto the red one. Come on, Leo, a big jump. No, you missed! Yeah, it's knocked the key down! Task completed!
Oh, wow.
Mike, you can do this! Put the shapes in the right cutouts. Blue square. Matched! Keep going, Mike! Red triangle, pink circle, turquoise rhombus. Whoa, wait! You've still got 2 left! Yikes! You're locked in!
Help me!
Kids, Mike's key is missing. He needs your help. We're ready for rescue.
Set me free!
Put all the shapes in, kids. Don't miss any. Triangle and square. Circle and rhombus. Star and hexagon. Quick, Mike.
Thank you!
Put in the key and twist for the treasure. Wow, rainbow magic! When we work together, we all win, don't we? Oh, we're gonna build? Watch out, Leo! Yeah, good as new. Huh? Leo isn't allowed in the castle? Looks like he'll play with his ship instead. Wow, a big black ship! Yay! Let's decorate a castle! Princess Lucy! Do you only want pink color for your castle? Pretty pink princess palace! Time to decorate your ship, Leo! A welcome mat? Your Blackbeard! What's it gonna be? Wow, a pirate mat! Where are you gonna put it?
My playhouse is better than yours! No, my playhouse is better!
It's challenge time! Yeah, magical rainbow castle! First point to Lucy. It's okay, stick it back up. I think Leo wants a point too. Is that a sail? Good idea. Wind too. All aboard. Ahoy, Pirate Leo.
My playhouse is taller.
Careful, Lucy. Not too much magic. Oh no, it's too tall. It's gonna topple.
Help me!
Leo, quick! Pull her aboard.
Thank you for saving me.
What's up? Oh no, watch out.
My sheep!
Oh, Leo, don't cry. Lucy's got a plan. Wow-wee! Look, Leo.
Now it's yours, Leo. Let's sail the ship together.
I'll come too. Secret room competition time. Oops, careful, Leo. Choose your colors. Sunshine yellow. Yeah, red, then blue. Green, too. That's so colorful. Which color's for your secret room, Leo? Purple? Give it a wiggle, Leo. Huh? That's black. Oh no, where are you? Let's try to lighten it with pink. Here it comes. What's wrong? What's your plan? It's like camping under the stars. Lucy, look, a rainbow. These fruits are magical. Yucky. Let's try orange instead. Yeah! Which color next? Yellow banana, my favorite. Next, let's have green. Then blueberry blue. Oh, yes! Purple to complete the rainbow. Do you like it, Leo? Aw, Lucy, that's not nice. What are you gonna do with the pumpkin? Too silly, too scary, too boring, too goofy. Good choice, Leo. How's it going, kids? Are you ready for the last stage? Choose your decorations. Wow, Leo's fast at this game. 4 to Leo and 3 for you, Lucy. Careful, kids, you'll break it. Don't worry, Leo, you've got lots. Lucy, play nicely. Time to decorate your secret room. Yeah, it's looking good. I love unicorns too. Hang a plushie to the front. Magical rainbow room. I'm here, Leo. Let's start decorating your room. That's it. Web and spider go together. Let's hang that in the middle. What a mystery room. Are you missing Leo?
I invite you to my secret room. I invite you too.
Let's join the secret rooms together. Perfect. One big secret room. Good job, kids. Playing together and sharing is more fun. Yikes! What's wrong with Lucky?
Why are babies so loud?
Is Lucy in dreamland? Oh no! Where's his mouth? Uh-oh, Mom's here.
It's time to feed Lucky.
Think of a plan, kids.
Oh,
We will feed him.
Phew! Quick thinking, Lucy. We need to look in here. There are so many mouths.
Need to find a new mouse.
Try the red one. They're kissing lips. Cute, but not the right one. Which ones do you think, Lucy? No, that's a clown's mouth. Uh-oh. Whoa, too loud. Ah, what have you seen? That looks like a duck's mouth. Quick, stop him! He's pecking holes in the bottle. We need to keep looking. What mouth is this? No, it's so loud. Do you think this green mouth will fit, Leo? Okay, let's try. Good job, Leo. I think you've got it. Yuck! Ew! Smelly breath. Take it away from him. That's better. We need help. Lucky, they look really sharp. Quick, get the teeth before he chomps more. Come on, kids. Phew. Ah, we're back from dreamland. Everything's back to normal.
I'm so glad he has a mouth.
Long story. Here come our solar system planets. Mars, don't bump Jupiter. Jupiter's the biggest and hungriest planet. Run away, planets! Oh no! He's a greedy, bad guy.
Hey, get them back!
And very naughty. You stinky. Here you go. Yeah, it worked. They're back. Do you know their names, kids?
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Planets look like sport balls.
What about Earth, Leo?
Tennis ball! Golf ball! Basketball!
So fun!
Ball! Volleyball!
Neptune, play nicely.
Soccer ball!
Oops, now they're balls they can't float in space. But Lucy has a plan.
Let's return the planet!
Slam dunk! Jupiter's here again. Your turn, Leo. Don't forget, safety first. Ready. Let's go. Touchdown for Saturn. Wow, backflip goal. Neptune's back. Strike! Uranus is here. Ready for the tennis serve. Earth's in place. Try a home run, Leo. Take aim and swing. Pull in one. Ping pong. Back where you all belong. What's wrong, Mars? Mars, that's not your place.
Look! Mars wants to be the very first!
Come on, planets. Let's show Mars the right order. That's better. Good job.